Let's learn English with a fun new story.
Sam, please read the next sentence for the class.
Oh, okay. I will try. The sun is bright.
He can't even speak English! I'm sorry.
Maybe I'm just bad at English. Everyone laughed at me.
Don't give up, Sam. Every expert was once a beginner. Practice a little every day, Sam. I believe in you.
I will try my best. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. I can do this.
Today we have a speaking contest. Who wants to go first? I will go first.
Hello, my name is Sam. I love English, and I never gave up.
Wonderful, Sam. You worked so hard.
Wow, Sam, I'm sorry we laughed. I did it. I never gave up.
Never laugh at someone who is trying. And never give up on yourself.